How to sort a list of strings. What is the best way of creating an alphabetically sorted list in Python?
It really is that simple, smiley face.
Basic answer. This modifies your original list, i.e. sorts in place. To get a sorted copy of the list, without changing the original, use the sorted function. However, the examples above are a bit naive, because they don't take locale into account, and perform a case-sensitive sorting. You can take advantage of the optional parameter key to specify custom sorting order. The alternative, using CMP, is a deprecated solution, as it has to be evaluated multiple times. Key is only computed once per element. So, to sort according to the current locale, taking language-specific rules into account, CMP_to_key is a helper function from functools. And finally, if you need, you can specify a custom locale for sorting. Last note, you will see examples of case-insensitive sorting which use the lower method. Those are incorrect, because they work only for the ASCII subset of characters. Those two are wrong for any non-English data.
It is also worth noting the sorted function. This returns a new, sorted version of a list without changing the original list.
The proper way to sort strings is: the previous example of mylist sort, key equals lambda x column x dot lower, will work fine for ASCII-only contexts.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.